Hi guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we are learning flow along curve comment and comment bar. You can download the file from our website. Open it, and you will see there is a straight fence. And in this tutorial, we will make it to be a curved fence. Let's see how to do it. First, we need to find deformation tools. Click this small triangle and drag it out. We will find flow along curve comment. Click it. If you are a Rhino beginner, please read this comment bar every time. Select objects to flow along curve. This is object. And then it asks me to press enter and find base curve. This is base curve. I have already drawn it for you. And you can see there are many options in the comment bar, right? We can choose them. The first one is copy. If we choose copy now, what it means? When we build our new model, the original, this one, the straight one, will disappear. I want to keep it, so I just click it to be yes. Now it asks me to select target curve. Select target curve. Oh, then we made the new one. For it back, Ctrl Z. And select this comment again. Select object. Press enter. With your comment bar, select base curve. And it also says select near one end. What it means? It means we have direction, right? And we can choose this end. If you choose that end, it will be another result. So we choose this one. When we choose target curve, we also choose this end. If you try that end, you can select this end for the target curve later. You can do it by yourself. And then in this time, we are choosing stretch now. And see what will happen. Target curve, this one. You see this one is shorter than the last one, right? And this one keeps the same length to our original fence. That is how the stretch comment works. Let's delete it and select object again. Press enter or space comment on your keyboard, or you can right click to repeat the comment. I just right click my mouse, and then now I can choose rigid. Let's try rigid yes options. If we try it yes, and copy yes, let's choose base curve, press enter. Let's do it again. Select object, press enter, and find base curve, and rigid to be yes, and find our target curve. Oh, you see the new fence is rigid, so it can't follow in our curve line, right? Okay, let's delete it. Cool. In this tutorial, we learned how to use flow along curve comment, and also we learned how to choose the options in the comment bar. Cool. Please practice again, guys. Do it by yourself. And this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.